Welcome back, guys, to Boosted by Aaron. Definitely been a long time and a while. As you wouldn't have known, the Instagram account got deleted, and because of COVID I stopped filming for a little while because it got quite serious, where it was stupid really trying to go out in the same car as everyone else. But we're back, we're going to see what's going to happen. We've got a lot to talk about. I need to show you some changes that we made to the Golf since you would have last seen it. That would have been shown in the B-roll at the beginning, but we need to talk about a lot of things, what's going to happen, where I've been, what I've been doing. But yeah, we still got the Golf and we're all happy, I hope, and I hope you're all well. So it's getting quite windy and cold. We'll jump in the car and we'll have a little chat. Let's hit it. Thank God we're out that cold a little bit. Thought we'd take a little ride out and just go over a few things really before we start some, well, not full-on content, but there's going to be a lot more content coming now. So basically, where have I been? From the last video I've done, the point of view driving the Golf R, basically lockdown really kicked in again. So it was, I don't know, there was a few things that were making me sort of think, yeah, maybe I should just put a stop to it really at the minute, because you're going to get people moaning and whinging because you're doing reviews with people in the same cars and stuff like that, which is fair enough, do you know what I mean? So I thought I'd give it a stop, and then a week later I was trying to get onto my Instagram and found that my account had got deleted, which was pretty rubbish, to be honest. I was quite gutted because we worked up quite a few followers on there. We were at something like 4,000 or something, so that's all been lost. And then I really gave in, so I thought, oh, I can't be doing this anymore. Like, I stopped it, and I didn't think I'd make a comeback. Like, sounds stupid, but yeah, I didn't think I was going to come back into it and try and do it again. So yeah, but I kept seeing Living Life Fast, people are uploading videos. I thought, oh, do you know what, there's like nothing else to do, it's boring, we're in lockdown. He's talking about, you know, moving forward with a few things, so we'll see what's going to happen. But Saturday I've got a murdered out Golf R with a pretty loud exhaust to review. Sunday I've got quite a special Golf coming in, which some of you will like, some of you might not like. So yeah, we're going to see what happens from there. And so yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. I've been away, I haven't been doing anything, but working absolutely hard just to try and get some more money, because I am in the process of going to view a house and leaving a deposit on a house. So yeah, it's all been go and trying to work them extra hours to get a house, which is not being funny, it will take priority over YouTube any day, getting a house, because it's what you want. But I've missed bombing this car around, and I'm sure you guys, you know, the faithful followers would have missed this car as well. So there's been a lot of changes though that have happened since I've been on that breakaway. And basically in the end I was talking about changing my number plate over back to like a standard one. That didn't last 2 minutes. I just got my other private plate off retention and put that on. The exhaust went back to stock, so we've got a 3-inch or 3.5-inch Scorpion downpipe still, and then we've got obviously the standard setup throughout the rest, which is nice because it's more stealthier, it's subtle, it's not too loud and in your face. It's quite a nice noise. On kick down, still grumbles, and it's not too in your face. You can talk to someone next to you without that having to shout over it all the time like I was before. I think in one of the previous videos as well, I was talking about getting rid of the Pretorias. No, getting a set of Pretorias and getting rid of my Esprit wheels. Well, I managed to sell the Esprit wheels to a fellow YouTuber, Daniel Knight. He's got a lovely Audi RS3 and a few other cars, but yeah, he brought the Esprit wheels off me. No quibbles or anything, they're immaculate. He knew they were, he come and collect them, he loved them. They went on his RS3, so then I thought, right, what wheels do I want? And I was looking at Pretorias, and the thing is, a lot of people are doing it, and it's on every Golf R you see Pretorias. So I shopped around, and then I ended up settling for the 19-inch Spielberg alloys. We've put some spacers on to push them out in the arches to make it look wide and aggressive. We've even wound the coilovers down a bit more. Well, I think they're maxed out now, the coilovers, to really give it that lower sort of stance. And I think it looks fantastic. Like, personally, in my opinion, it still drives nice, and the wheels suit it a lot, especially when it's clean up now, because from this morning, the last time I cleaned it was probably 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago, so it was desperate for a clean, so I thought I'm definitely going to give it a clean. Yeah, make things a little bit tidier on it. It definitely needs a detail, so any valeters out there, detailers, send me a message or something, get in touch with me, because it does need a hell of a detail. First things first, if I get the clay bar on it and get all the tar off it, it's awful, it's covered in tar. Just where I've been doing quite a lot of motorway journeys. So yeah, it does need a good tidy up, but I'm happy with the quick wash I've done today. But that's why there won't be any interior shots apart from us driving and chatting, because yeah, the car inside of the car is filthy, and I wasn't prepared to get the Hoover out today and do that. I wanted to get a video live for you guys, because I'm still getting a lot of messages and stuff saying, where have you gone, blah de blah. So yeah, I wanted to get a video back in for you guys and sort of go over a few things. But yeah, I'm out for a little drive, I'd say, but I'm also just heading over to someone I know. He's local, he's just started his own business up, and it's a pick and mix business. He's doing quite well actually. He's got a lot of range of sweets, so I'm heading over there to pick up some American sweets. I think he's got some different flavoured Fantas for me, some other bits and bobs, but his pick and mix sweets are wicked. So his company name is the Candy Parlour UK. I'm going to overlay some shots of that now, of his website and stuff like that. He's on Instagram at the Candy Parlour _UK. That will come up on the screen now as well. So yeah, I'm going to head over there, get some sweets, and then we'll touch base again in a second. But yeah, stay with us.
A few moments later.
So yeah, got back in the car from freezing cold, getting these sweets, but here they are. They come in a 1 kilogram bag. I think they're even doing 2 kilo pots now, which I should have gone for, to be honest, but I put my order in ages ago and said I'll come and pick them up at some point. So they've done it all COVID safe for me to come and collect it, only because I'm on the door. I don't think they're going to be open for collections. It's all be posted, but yeah, I only live 2 minutes down the road, as they're based in Henley, so I just shot over there because I needed to go to the bank and grab suits. So I was at it. So yeah, they come in a bag like this. You can get their pick and mix, which I've gone for. You can get Fabulously Fizzy, I think they do. They've got quite a lot of variety there. It's quite hot in the car now, annoying. They've got a Jealously Jelly Mix, which is all your jelly mix. And then I think they call it Foam and Fun or something like that, and it's got all their foam sweets, yeah, and other sweets. They've even got the traditional candy sticks, which I think they've put a couple in my pick and mix bag for. So yeah, that's that. They also stock a huge variety of American stuff. So a couple of weeks ago, they actually sent me out a couple of cans of Chocomel that I asked for. They're actually, Chocomel's Belgium, but you get it a lot in America as well. Also, I went and copped a Calypso. This flavour will look quite usual, but it's not. It's Paradise Punch lemonade. It's nice. You don't really get these other flavours out there. I don't know, it's different to what you normally get. Don't get me wrong, you probably think you've seen this. You haven't. It's really new. You need to definitely look at the different flavours though, because the flavours are different, even if they do look the same and they are the same colour juice. They've also got different flavour Fantas, berry, grape, all the different ones. So I've got a berry flavoured one, and it is blue. I quite like it actually. I've had it in America when I went a couple of years ago. So yeah, that's all good. But so that's my bags of sweets. I've had to pay for them. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it given to me as a sponsor. So yeah, but I mean, it's the best quality out there. It's £10 for a 1 kilo bag. That's for your jelly, fizzy and pick and mix. And then I think the prices vary. If you want like a custom bag, I think it's, I'm not sure, I think it's £12, I'm not too sure, but that literally includes everything. So in that custom bag you could have like Airheads or a Laffy Taffy or something like that. So I'm going to overlay some stuff now of their website, and what they've got on their website American wise, and just normal sweets really. But they've got such a huge variety. I'm not too sure. I don't want to go saying any numbers and probably get it wrong, but they're well over 50 different pick and mix sweets. So I would definitely go and check them out. And they're local. They're only in Henley. So when lockdown lifts, you might be able to go and do collection from their house. Might not. So yeah, definitely going to plug them. But what we were also going to talk about was future plans. I remember making a video back during when I was videoing before, and I said I was going to probably look at getting another RS3 because I obviously previously owned one. I want to say it's still on the cards. Part of me wants to say it's on the cards and it's not, but it is. But I've had to change things around. Basically, the money I was going to get an RS3 with, I've decided to keep that aside and save up a little bit more and put it towards a deposit on a house. So hopefully in a couple of weekends time I'm going to look at a house, put a deposit down, and fingers crossed it goes through. As I thought that was a much better idea than wasting your money on another car when you've got a perfectly good one. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this Golf R, I love it, but I have had it now a couple of years on and off in between owning the RS3 as well at the same time. But owning an RS3 and this at the same time is probably the wrong thing to do, because straight away you realise how much lighter the Golf R is. Because this was tuned stage 2, it felt quicker, like top end, but launch control and off the line Audi, you can't beat it. It's Quattro, do you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna try and, just because I own a Golf R, I'm not gonna try and say it's better. And everyone who's gonna say, oh, you need to get it tuned properly, no, it's tuned at the best place where I personally think, MRC tuning. But it's just, I think Quattro is more advanced. If you do know your cars, Quattro is definitely more advanced than the 4Motion Haldex system. But yeah, so I don't know, move into house first, get things sorted there, carry on with some videos, because you never know, I'll probably be changing a few more bits on the car. So yeah, I mean, it will probably happen in the future, and it could be an RS3, probably newer by then than the one I'm looking at now. But so yeah, we've changed a few things with the car, as we now know. So it's been dropped even further, or even lower, shall I say. We've got the Spielberg alloys on with spacers just to push it out in the arches. We kept the Ossinger spoiler on because I do think although the car would look clean without it, it looks clean with it. It looks almost as if it should have been there from stock. So I've left that on there, still got the carbon mirrors on, but I have taken the black tint off the front badge because, I don't know, it got a bit grimy in the end and some stone chips in it, so I thought I'd peel it off, and that definitely has transformed it as well. It looks much cleaner. So yeah, I'm glad the standard exhaust back on, and probably everyone else is glad as well, because to be honest, the custom exhaust, they do sound dreadful, some of them. So but yeah, thanks for coming back, guys, and watching another video. They are going to be consecutive now, getting some other cars on the channel, and the next car and video, and I know I will, and you lot will like it as well. It's a Golf R, new one, facelift like this. But the Golf after, I think some of you, it's going to be a Marmite car. Some of you are going to like it, some of you are going to hate it. The owner loves it for sure. I don't mind it. I'm sort of, I don't know, I need to see it in person first. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, again, and welcome back to Boosted by Aaron. Please subscribe, share, and all my links are back down below. So we've even got a TikTok account now, we'll probably start. The Instagram's back up and running with only a few followers at the minute. So yeah, do go and follow that for, well, there'll be some undercover footage, shall we say, some footage you wouldn't see on YouTube. So yeah, cheers, guys, thanks very much, and we'll see you again shortly.